Welcome back to my channel, and today's cue card topic is describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language or you used any foreign language for the first time. So इसमें हमें कोई भी लैंग्वेज के बारे में हम बोल सकते हैं, कोई भी फॉरेन लैंग्वेज जैसे इंग्लिश, स्पेनिश या कोई भी लैंग्वेज जो आपने फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ की थी. तो आइए देखते हैं इसके हिंट्स के बारे में. वेयर वर यू, who you were with, what did you talk about and explain how you felt about it. इसमें हमें बताना है कि जब हमने फॉरेन लैंग्वेज यूज़ की तो हम कहाँ पर थे, हम किसके साथ थे और किस बारे में हमने बात की, और एक्सप्लेन करना है कि हमें वो लैंग्वेज यूज़ करके उस व्यक्ति के साथ हमें कैसा लगा. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं इसके सैम्पल क्यू कार्ड आंसर के साथ. लैंग्वेज इज़ नॉट just a medium of communication. It is an identity of people who speak it. Every language represents a culture of people associated with that language. Different language has its own importance in their own way, but the language which achieved great importance since the last 2 or 3 decades is the English language. In fact, English is considered as a global language. Since I am born and brought up in Punjab and my mother tongue is Punjabi, but I can speak Hindi and English as well. When I was in senior secondary, I was very good at English subject, but I always hesitate to communicate in English with others. Here I would like to share my old memory with you when I used foreign language for the first time to communicate with others. The incident took place 4 5 years ago when my cousin Swati and his friend Jack had come to India for vacations and stayed at our home. Swati knows Punjabi, so I was able to communicate with her, but Jack didn't know our local language, so he wasn't able to understand what I was talking about. Jack was struggling to speak in Punjabi, so I tried to communicate with him in English. So that was the first time when I talked with someone in the English language. Initially, I felt a little nervous because I have never done this before, but Jack was so kind that he praised my efforts to communicate with him in English. Within 2 days, all my fear of English speaking has gone away, and I was able to communicate with Jack confidently in English. Moreover, I had also learned new English words and idioms from Jack. Since then, I am able to speak in English without any fear. English is a very simple language with continuous practice. Anyone can learn this language. I am thankful to Jack because I would not have learned English if Jack hadn't motivated me to speak in English. So, this was the sample cue card answer for you. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.